For demonstration, here we have 18 stitches on my needle, 12 stitches multiple of 6, 2 times 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 plus 4 extra stitches 16 and plus 2 edge stitches 18. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in back, knit 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 4, knit 2. This is 6 stitches pattern 2, 4, 6. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So one more time. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in back, knit 2, 1, 2. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Last 5 stitches. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit edge from right side. First row is complete. Now second row wrong side. In this row knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 4, purl 2. Again we repeat this pattern. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 2, 1, 2. Last 5 stitches. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl edge from wrong side. Third row right side. Again we make this row same as row. First slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in back, knit 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 4, knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So one more time. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2, 1, 2. Last 5 stitches. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row wrong side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in front. Now purl 2 stitches 2 times with yarn over 2. Purl 1 with yarn over 2. 1, 2, 1. One more time. 1, 2, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 4, purl 2 with yarn over 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So one more time. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in front, purl 2 stitches with 2 times yarn over. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. Yarn in back. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Last 5 stitches. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl edge from wrong side. Fifth row right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in back, unwrap 2 stitches, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 4, unwrap 2 stitches. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So one more time. Yarn in front, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in back, unwrap 2 stitches, 1, 2. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern, last 5 stitches, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit edge from right side. 5th row is complete. Now 6th row, wrong side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in front, slip 2, 1, 2, yarn in back. That's our repeat from here to here, knit 4, slip 2. Again we repeat this pattern, so one more time, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in front, slip 2, 1, 2, yarn in back. Last 5 stitches, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl edge from wrong side. 7 row, right side, slip edge. Starting of this pattern, purl 1. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back. Now twist 2 from left to right, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from front loop, first stitch on your left needle from back loop. Now knit 1, purl 1. Twist 2 from right to left, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from back loop, first stitch on your left needle from front loop, and purl 1, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 2, twist 2 from left to right and knit 1, purl 1, twist 2 from right to left and purl 1, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So one more time. Purl 2, 1, 2. Twist 2 from left to right, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from front loop, first stitch on your left needle from back loop, and knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Twist 2 from right to left, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from back loop, first stitch on your left needle from front loop, and purl 1, knit 1. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern, last 4 stitches, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit edge from right side. 7 row is complete. Now 8 row, wrong side, knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge, knit 1. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1. That's our repeat from here to here, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. Again we repeat this pattern, so one more time, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1. Last 4 stitches, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl edge from wrong side. 8 row is completed and our pattern is also completed. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. So again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1, 2, 8 rows, and after repetition of 8 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, gents half setter, full setter, baby setter. So fan, if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye fan.